Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BABA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way to end the week here on this one. I talked about it in previous videos and talked about how, there's definitely bearish context out there. There still is. And as, there's a sneaky suspicion, did come down there and break down through that level of support. So as far as, that area is concerned, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Because really from the overall perspective of things, at least in my opinion, the price can bounce. There's no doubt about it. No price is going to go straight down. But just because a price begins to show signs of strength and show signs of progress by moving upwards, you got to be very skeptical of it, right? I mean, there is a nice upwards movement, but that failed. There was another very nice upwards movement. That failed. Check that out. There was a gap up. That failed. And then today, it just basically failed from the get-go. But my point is this. Like I said, just because something works its way upwards, you want to be very, very skeptical because the environment right now is very bearish. But that does lead to the valid question of, okay, Clay, well, at what point should you become less skeptical? And that is, in my opinion at least, the value of that trend line right there. Meaning, as long as the price is down below that trend line, personally, I would be skeptical of any sort of nice upwards move. I'm not saying you can't make money. I mean, there was people that bought, sold, made money. Bought, sold, made money, and so on and so forth. So, yeah, you can still trade it and make money, but from the bigger picture point of view, like I said, I would be skeptical from any sort of true, genuine strength until the price can prove itself. And once again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as not only getting up above that trend line, but being able to actually stay up above it. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here, just literally a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was down there at 257.25. So 257.25 will be that first key level to watch moving forward into next week. But yeah, as of right now, very bearish environment, and I would be skeptical of anything until the price can prove itself, again, by getting up above that trend line. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.